My name's Kiana,
And I'm Damien.
and we'll be showing you how to do a skin fold test. The purpose of a skin fold test is to see how much body fat you have and to see if you are at risk for chronic or obesity related diseases. There are 7 sites for the skin fold test, but we will only be doing the 3 sites for a female: the triceps, the suprailiac, and the thigh.
The measurement we're going to do is the tricep. We're going to make sure the client's feet are touching, and we're going to make sure you're on the right side of your client. The next, we're going to tell the client to raise her arm up to a 90-degree angle. We're going to make sure your tape does not beep because it's going to make the client insecure. And then we're going to begin with the measuring to the crease of her shoulder blade all the way to her elbow. Next step, we're going to fold this halfway. This is not going to be our first mark. We're going to make sure keep your finger there, and then you're going to start to measure it all the way to the bottom. And right here is where we're going to make our first mark. Next, we're going to tell the client to put her arm down to straight to her side. We're going to see our first mark right here, and then we're going to go 1 centimeter up. Right. And here's where we made our first mark and our second mark. We have our marks on our client's tricep. The first top mark is where we're going to pinch the fat. We're going to tell the client to flex so we can see we don't grab any muscle. We're going to grab it like we're watching our watch and get our 3-inch from our thumb to our index. Grab it, and then we're going to put our caliper right in the middle of the fold and we get our measurement. Now we got that, wait 2 seconds, and then we let go. For the second fold, we're going to go to the suprailiac. First, we're going to tell her if our client's comfortable for lifting her shirt up. We're going to make sure her feet are still touching each other, and I'm still on the right side of her. So we're going to go to her hip bone. We're going to tell the client if she can point out her hip bone to us. Alright, and this is going to be right there. This is where we're going to get our 3-inch, and then we're just going to grab it. Next, we're going to get our caliper, and we're just going to get in there and get 2 seconds. 1, 2. Final fold, we're going to do the thigh. We're going to tell the client if she's comfortable lifting her shorts up for us, and then we're going to start by getting our measurement. We're going to put the beginning of this to her hip bone and the end of it all the way to her patella. And then we're going to go halfway of her thigh, and that's where we're going to make our first mark. Next, we're going to go 1 centimeter above that and make our second mark. Alright, and then we're going to tell our client to put her foot down. The calibration for the thigh, we're going to tell the client to stand up straight and cross her feet. Next, we're going to get to the top mark, and we're going to pinch it with our 3-inch grip, and then we're going to get the caliper, and we're going to wait 2 seconds. Alright, so now that we got that, that's our final fold.
Okay, these were our results. Just a reminder that the tricep and the thigh are both vertical folds, and the suprailiac was a diagonal fold. Some errors that you might have is incorrect location, incorrect lifting of the skin fold, and inaccurate reading of the caliper. But these were our results. You're supposed to take 2 trials of each site. You're supposed to duplicate another trial for trial 3 if it's not between 1 and 2 millimeters. Then you take the average of each site, and then with the average you add all the averages up and you get the sum. That's 55. And then you're able to find body density. Here's the formula for that, and you add the sum here, or you multiply by the sum. Keep in mind that the sum here is squared, so it will be 55 squared, and then also my age, I'm 24. And this was our answer for body density. For percent fat, here's the formula, and you add your body density here, and you divide the 495 by the body density and subtract 450, and we got 22%. So that's how you do a skin fold test.
Thank you for watching.